Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you struggling to remember your class of clan village name? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you a quick and easy way to find it. Let's dive right in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your class of clan account and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now, you are on the main village screen. This is where the magic happens. Tap onto the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. On your profile screen, you will see your village name display right at the top. That's it. Simple, right? Your village name is unique identifier for your account. So if you can't see your village name or are logged out of your account, here are some few tips. Make sure you are logged into your correct Supercell ID. If you have forgotten your Supercell ID, check your email inbox for messages for Supercell. Contact Supercell support if you are still unable to find it. And there you have it. Finding your class of clan village name is super easy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.